My name's Christopher O'Neill. I'm a partner with Rödl Partner in Atlanta, Georgia. We mainly work with Central European inbound clients that are coming into the U.S. Foreign is pretty much what our focus is. Foreign-owned companies that are predominantly in Germany. I would say that the power of the CCH Axcess platform as a benefit for our firm is 100% integration and efficiency. Having places where all of these data, elements that are coming from the clients, whether they be, related to the trial balance, whether they be related to simple things as invoices that we need to send them on a day-to-day basis, having everything in a one-stop place, having a single source of truth, having in general, an entire function of the various offerings that your firm provides in one location is going to make you more efficient. It allows you for flexibility with your people in moving and rotating people between various tasks. It allows you flexibility between your offices. It allows for commonality from a quality standpoint. You know where everything is, you can see it, you can compare it, you can measure it. So for us, it's, I guess if there were two words to sum it up, it'd be quality plus efficiency. I mean, in the ever-changing world we live in with the complexity that is not only at the federal level, but is at the state and local level as well. And even specific for us at the international level, it's necessary to have a product that is reacting in real time to all the various changes in the tax code. So just the complexity alone of the Tax Cuts and Jobs Act and what it actually did into the tax world as a whole is, obviously macroeconomically pretty big. But the fact that CCH is keeping up with it and building it out in software so that somebody doesn't have to have, a massive amount of knowledge to keep up with all the differences that you have between the federal level, between the state level, and between the local level, is quite favorable for us. We process a significant amount of tax returns that we've built out through APIs that are touchless. I think we're doing something like 50,000 that we file at once. It's able to handle that level of load, which I don't think there's many softwares that probably could. If I'm honest, as a partner, I probably spend, the least time in the software of the rest of the group. So, I will say that for me, it's actually probably an odd answer. It's the e-filing just works well. And really when it comes to my piece of the puzzle, I'm still reviewing the returns and all that, but ultimately getting it filed, I think everyone thinks the return is done when it hits the partner's desk, and then it's like, well, you still got to actually get it through all the mechanisms of the states, to get it to file. So I think that the thing that I would say has been most helpful is that the e-filing process is pretty good. The tracking's really good. Keeping up with where the return is throughout the process, even before it gets to e-filing, is also very helpful. Honestly, one of the things that I've thought I would never use that I've used is looking at the return history to see who actually did what. So it gives you a lot of, insight to what's going on before it hits my desk, so to speak.